Alright, let's be real. Making an attendance sheet on your phone sounds like a hassle, but what if I told you it's actually super quick and easy? Let me show you. So first, open your Word app and create a new document, or just use one you already have. Once you're in, start by typing your title at the top. For example, you can write something like class attendance to keep things clear. After that, head over to Insert tab. From there, tap on Table. Now you'll need to decide how many rows and columns you want. For example, you can go with 16 rows and 5 columns. Pretty standard for a simple attendance list. Next step, tap on Style Options and make sure you only turn on the header row. This helps make your table look cleaner and more organized. Then move on to Table Styles and pick any design you like. Don't overthink it, just choose something that looks neat and easy to read. Now comes the main part. Start typing your attendance data into the table. You can fill in names, dates, or check marks depending on what you need. And finally, just tidy things up a bit. Adjust the spacing, resize columns if needed, and make sure everything looks clean and not messy. And that's it. You just created your own attendance sheet right from your phone. No laptop needed. Pretty simple, right? But hey, if you want more quick and useful tutorials like this, make sure you stick around because I've got a lot more coming your way.